Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A21s. In order to lock the bootloader, well, that's quite easy. Remember that it'll erase all your data, so if you have any important data on your phone, back it up. And let's begin by going to the settings. In the settings, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Without that, you may not be able to unlock the bootloader. So go into the Wi-Fi, make sure it's enabled, it's connected to something, then go to About Phone and go to Software Information. Click on build number 7 times. My developer mode is already enabled, but you should click on 7 times so it enables the developer mode, and then go back, go to developer options. And now you'll see OEM Unlocking. What we need to check here is that OEM Unlocking is enabled and grayed out, and it says bootloader already unlocked underneath. That means that the bootloader is unlocked and we want to lock it. Now we can turn the phone off by pressing and holding on power and volume down. Tap on power off and tap on it again. If you have a cable plugged in, unplug it. I do so. And keep it plugged into your computer, not yet to your phone. You don't need to do anything on the computer, it just has to have a cable plugged in. Now let's press and hold on volume up and volume down, and at the same time plug in the cable that's already connected to your computer. Now press and hold on volume up. It'll get to this step. You can see it asks me whether I want to lock the bootloader. Well, volume up is yes, and volume down is no. I do want to lock it, so to bring all the protection features back. So let's click on yes. And now the phone will start erasing. It may take a little moment, possibly up to 5 minutes, maybe a little longer. It really depends, and we'll see. And as you can see, the phone is on. We'll need to set it up, and what I typically do is I set it up real quick with skipping the Wi-Fi because it makes the setup process way quicker. It doesn't have to load the data, it doesn't have to connect to any servers, so I do really recommend that. Let's go to agree and stuff like that. Skip the Wi-Fi, as I said. Of course, if you really want, you can connect to Wi-Fi in the setup, but it makes it longer, and you can connect to Wi-Fi anyway later. So that's what I do recommend. Then yeah, the date and time, everything. Of course, you can also connect to Google account later, or you can do it now if you connect it to Wi-Fi. It's up to you, honestly. You can see I'm almost all the way through. Just gonna skip the Samsung account, finish that, and yeah, well, the last thing that we should do is go to settings and disable OEM unlocking. So for that, we'll need to go to settings, connect to the Wi-Fi. So go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, make sure it's enabled, connect to a chosen network that you have. Well, the keyboard, yeah. The keyboard's not there. Okay, it's there. Okay, let's go back. Go to About Phone, Software Information, build number, go back. Oh, I went back too many times. Developer options, and now OEM Unlocking should be there, right? It's not. I don't really see it. So what we can do is shut the settings down. Let's open them again. Maybe the network didn't load yet. Yeah, it's there. We need to disable it and restart the phone. So press and hold on power and volume down. Tap on restart. Tap on it again, and wait a little moment until the phone restarts. And that's about it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.